Unlock the secrets to seamless online security. Discover how to use LastPass.com to simplify your password management. Keep your account safe and enjoy hassle-free browsing. Say goodbye to forgotten passwords and hello to peace of mind. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use LastPass. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and you have just to dive into LastPass.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is LastPass? LastPass is a password management service that helps you securely store and manage your password. It generates strong, unique password for each of your online accounts. Enhancing your security with LastPass, you can easily autofill login details, saving time and reducing frustration. It syncs across all your devices, ensuring you have access to your passwords wherever you are. LastPass uses strong encryption to keep your data safe, giving you peace of mind. Say goodbye to password anxiety and hello to effortless online security. So first of all I have to do is just come back to the top here and you will find get LastPass free. So we have here two things. The first one, which is business, designed for businesses of all sizes from small startups to enterprises. Then we have the second one, which is personal, premium multi-device password management and sharing for one person. You could go try personal free. Then about if you click over try business free, you will find this, and if you click of try personal free, you will find this page. About the first one we have here, start your free 14 days trial of LastPass business. About the second one we have one password 08 inches. So the first one, you have just to sign up and write your full name, your work email, your phone, your company name, your job title, and we have organization size. You choose between this and you click over start my free 14 days. About the personal one, you have just to create an account here. You write your email address and your master password. About the password, you have to respect the conditions and the requirements here. For example, we have strength meter at maximum, at least 12 characters long, at least one number, at least one lowercase letter, at least one uppercase letter, at least one special character, not your email also. So for example, I will give you something. For example, I will show you how. And write number like that, as you can see. Then here we have it. But you have just to delete something here. So here we have it. And then you write just confirm master password, as you can see. Confirm master password, reminder optional, and you write the email here. And then you click over sign up and it's free. Once you do that, you will find this page as you can see. So here we'll have welcome to LastPass, install the browser extension, then log in using the account you have just created. So here we have also this option. If you want to ask something here, for example, so here we have ID, my data shows that you have been here before. Are you ready to try LastPass for free? I'm ready to try LastPass. So and then you discussed. Then let's go to the Gmail and we have to send something here in the LastPass. So it's an email. So welcome to LastPass. Your digital life just got easier and more secure. Here are the login credentials to access your new account. So here we have log into LastPass. Before, you have just to follow the steps for getting started. Firstly, you have to add LastPass to web browser. This lets you save and fill passwords automatically. Then we have the second one, add passwords to your vault. Like LastPass do the remembering. You have it try autofill on your favorite websites. Let LastPass fill in all your browser. So once you click over login, you will find this page. You have just to write your email address and your master password, and then you click over login and you will find this page. So after sign up for LastPass, quickly boost for your security and by importing existing passwords from your browser. Use the built-in password generator to create strong, unique password for each account. Then save your login details with one click for easy auto-filing. Enjoy hassle-free browsing while keeping your accounts safe. So here we have welcome to your vault. When you save something in LastPass, it appears here: passwords, payment cards, drivers, lessons. You save it, the vault stores it. First of all, we have here add your first password. Every great LastPass journey begins with a single password. You have just to try it. So once you click over it, we have here 5 items. We have also more items here, as you can see. You have just to select, for example, password here. You add your URL, the name, the folder, the username, the site password, and here we have the notes. Then you click over save. Then we have here import your existing. As you can see, you can just in one of these web browser, you choose it, and then we have secure node. Here we have to write name, the folder, and we have also here address. You have the name, the folder, the title here, the first name, the middle name, the last name, the username, the gender, the birthday, the company, the first address, second address, the third address, the city, the country, the state, the zip code, country, time zone, email address, phone, evening phone, mobile phone, fax, and notes. So it's very safe. As you can see, you have to link all this information. Then you have payment card. So we have the name, the folder, the name on card type, the number, the security code, start date, expiration date, and we have the notes. Then we have also here the last one, which is add last. So here we have it. You have just to add to brief and then you get started. Also we have here other options like password, notes, addresses, payment cards, and we have here, as you can see, bank accounts. Then we have security dashboard, emergency access account settings, advanced options, and we have help also here. Then we have sharing center also. We have manage shared folders, shared with others, shared with me, and you select here also view deleted shared folders. And this is how it works. So LastPass is an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their online security and simplify password management. By securely storing and auto-filing your passwords, it allows you to focus on what matters most without the stress of forgotten login details. With its user-friendly features and strong encryption, LastPass empowers you to navigate the digital world with confidence. Make the switch today and take control of your online security. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.